Bolton Railway Station initially opened as Bolton Trinity Street when the Manchester and Bolton Railway completed its route to Salford Central in 1838. The line extended towards Manchester Victoria in 1843, and this was extended to Preston by the Bolton and Preston Railway in 1841. The route northwards, now the Ribble Valley line to Blackburn, followed 4 years later, whilst the Liverpool and Bury's arrival in 1848 gave the town links east towards Bury and Rochdale, and westwards towards Wigan and Liverpool. These lines all became part of the Lancashire and Yorkshire railway system by 1858. The network of routes radiating from Bolton had remained largely unchanged to this day, the only exception being the line to Rochdale, which closed on the 5th of October 1970. Though trains to Liverpool ended in 1977 with the closure of Liverpool Exchange Station, the line to Wigan remains open. Trains to Manchester Piccadilly and beyond began running in May of 1988 following the opening of the Windsor Link. Automated ticket barriers have been operational here at the station since the 12th of December 2016. Northern had announced its intention to install them here and at several other locations earlier in the year. So we get started here at Bolton with 150, 141 and 150, 106. Working 1314 Northern service to Staley Bridge to Southport via Wigan Moorgate. Next arriving out of the fog for Northern is 331030 and 331028. Working the 1322 Northern service and Blackpool North to Hazel Grove. Arriving around the corner for Northern is 150, 115 and 150, 108. Working the 1319 Northern service from Clitheroe to Rochdale via Manchester Victoria, running 5 minutes late. Departing over on the far side is 331015 and 331012. Working the 1320 Northern service from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North, departing 5 minutes late. Next out for departure is 769458, working the 1311 Northern service from Southport to Alderley Edge via Stockport, running 16 minutes late. Next out to depart 10 minutes late for Northern is 156424 with the 1326 Northern service from Southport to Staley Bridge. Next arriving into the station is 397010. arriving with the 1344 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport to Glasgow Central.
Calling at Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme, Penrith, Carlisle, Lockerbie, Motherwell and Glasgow Central.
Next in to arrive is 769431, running 17 minutes late with the 1336 Northern service from Alderley Edge to Southport via Wigan Wargate. One in, one out now is 331029 and 331020 arrived 5 minutes late with the 1352 Northern service from Hazel Grove to Blackpool North, while 331027 and 331010 depart the other way, with the 1354 Northern service from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport, respectively. Next in to arrive is 150-104, working the 1402 Northern service from Rochdale to Clitheroe via Blackburn. Rounding the corner next for Northern is 150-124, working the 1410 Northern service from Southport to Alderley Edge via Stockport. And here comes my trainer, I'm in the form of 150, 140 and 156, 480, working the 1418 Northern service from Clitheroe to Rochdale via Manchester Victoria. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.